Comparison and ordering of numbers.
Subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get latest updates from learnfatafat.com.
By comparing numbers, we can find greater and smaller numbers. If number of digits are different, then the number with greatest number of digits is greatest number, and the number with the smallest number of digits is smallest number.
Watch ad-free and complete syllabus on Learn Fatafat Android app. Download the app now.
Example: compare these numbers. Count the number of digits in each number. There are 2 digits in 15, 3 in 325, and 4 in 4528. 4 digits are greatest number of digits, so 4528 is the greatest number. 2 digits are smallest number of digits, so 15 is the smallest number. Another example: compare these numbers. Count the number of digits in each number. Digits in numbers are 3, 5, 4 and 2. 5 digits are greatest number of digits, so 98,768 is the greatest number. 2 digits are smallest number of digits, so 68 is the smallest number. If number of digits are same, then we compare numbers by their place values, starting with leftmost place. In any number, each digit represents a place value. Place values are values present at units, tens, hundreds, thousands, and other places in numbers.
Watch ad-free and complete syllabus on Learn Fatafat Android app. Download the app now.
Example: compare these numbers. There are 4 digits in each number. Since number of digits in each number are same, so we cannot use condition 1. Compare digits at thousands place. 7 is greatest and 2 is smallest. The number 7123 with digit 7 at its thousands place is greatest number. The number 2536 with digit 2 at its thousand place is the smallest number. Compare these numbers. There are 4 digits in each number. Since number of digits in each number are same, so we cannot use condition 1. Compare digits at thousands place. These are equal. If the digits at thousands place are equal, then compare digits at hundreds place. These are also equal. Next, if digits at thousands and hundreds places are equal, then compare digits at tens place. 6 is greatest and 2 is smallest. So, the number 4561 with digit 6 at its tens place is the greatest number. And the number 4523 with digit 2 at its tens place is the smallest number. By comparing the numbers, we can order them in specific order. The order in which numbers are arranged from smallest to greatest is called ascending order. Similarly, the order in which numbers are arranged from greatest to smallest is called descending order.
Watch ad-free and complete syllabus on Learn Fatafat Android app. Download the app now.
Example: arrange the numbers in ascending and descending orders. Ascending order is from 1788 to 8975. Descending order is from 8975 to 1788. Another example: arrange the numbers in ascending and descending orders. Ascending order is from 256 to 4120 and descending order is from 4120 to 256. Forming numbers by arrangement of digits.
Subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get latest updates from learnfatafat.com.
Let's discuss about how we can make greatest and smallest numbers from given digits. Method 1. By writing all number which can be formed from the given digits and comparing them to find greatest and smallest numbers.
Watch ad-free and complete syllabus on Learn Fatafat Android app. Download the app now.
Let's take an example. Make the greatest and the smallest 3-digit numbers from 1, 2 and 3 without repeating the digits. Write all the numbers formed from digits 1, 2 and 3. By comparing place values, greatest number is 321 and smallest number is 123. This method is difficult for numbers with 4 or more digits. So let's understand method 2. From given digits, greatest number can be formed by writing the digits in descending order and smallest number can be formed by writing the digits in ascending order. Let's form greatest number. Descending order of digits is 3, 2, 1. Greatest number is 321. Now let's form smallest number. Ascending order of digits will be 1, 2, 3. So smallest number is 123. Example: make the greatest and smallest 4-digit numbers from 5, 9 and 7. Use any one digit twice. Let's form greatest number. We should use greatest digit 9 twice for forming greatest number. Arrange numbers in descending order. 9, 9, 7, 5.
Watch ad-free and complete syllabus on Learn Fatafat Android app. Download the app now.
So the greatest number is 9975. Let's form smallest number. We should use smallest digit 5 twice for forming smallest number. Arrange numbers in ascending order. 5, 5, 7, 9. So the smallest number is 5579. Shifting of digits. Example: find the smallest number by shifting digits in 523. We can form a 3-digit smallest number from given number. 2 is the smallest digit in given number. So, shift it to hundreds place and shift 5 to tens place. Next smallest digit is 3. It should be at tens place. So, shift 3 to tens place and 5 to units place. The number 235 is the smallest number. Another example. Find the greatest 4-digit number from 9, 6, 3, 7 such that 9 is at tens place. Let's find greatest number with given condition.
Watch ad-free and complete syllabus on Learn Fatafat Android app. Download the app now.
Make 4 places for 4 digits. Write 9 at tens place. Arrange remaining digits in descending order. Write greatest digit 7 at thousands place and 6 at hundreds place. Since tens place is already filled, so write 3 at units place. So the greatest number with 9 at tens place is 7693. Digit, number, places and place values.
Subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get latest updates from learnfatafat.com.
The 10 symbols 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 or 9 are used to form all numbers. Each of these symbols is called digit. We use one or more digits to write a number.
Watch ad-free and complete syllabus on Learn Fatafat Android app. Download the app now.
A single digit number can be written by using only one of the 10 digits. Largest one digit number is 9. If we add 1 to this number, then we get smallest 2 digit number 10. We can write any 2 digit number as well. Largest 2 digit number is 99. If we add 1 to this number, then we get smallest 3 digit number 100. In the same way, we can go on forming various other 3 digit numbers. The largest 3 digit number is 999. Adding 1 to largest 3 digit number 999 gives smallest 4 digit number 1000. In the same way, we have largest 4 digit number 9999. If we add 1 to largest 4 digit number 9999, then it gives smallest 5 digit number 10,000.
Watch ad-free and complete syllabus on Learn Fatafat Android app. Download the app now.
Similarly, we have largest 5 digit number 99,999. Adding 1 to it gives smallest 6 digit number 1 lakh. Largest 6 digit number is 9,99,999. Adding 1 to it forms smallest 7 digit number 10 lakh. Largest 7 digit number is 99,99,999. Adding 1 to it forms smallest 8 digit number 1 crore. Largest 8 digit number is 9 crore 99 lakh 99,999. Adding 1 to it forms smallest 9 digit number 10 crore. Finally, we have largest 9 digit number as 99 crore 99 lakh 99,999.
Watch ad-free and complete syllabus on Learn Fatafat Android app. Download the app now.
Number places and place values. The 10 symbols 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 or 9 are used to form all numbers. We use one or more digits to write a number. Digits are given places such as ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores and 10 crores. A digit at ones place indicate number of ones or units. A digit at tens place indicate groups of 10. Similarly, a digit at hundreds place indicate groups of 100. Digit at thousands place indicate groups of 1000. Digit at 10,000s place indicate groups of 10,000. Digit at 1 lakhs place indicate groups of 1 lakh. Digit at 10 lakhs place indicate groups of 10 lakh. Digit at 1 crores place indicate groups of 1 crore. Digit at 10 crores place indicate groups of 10 crore. The value of a digit depends on its place or position in the number, which is calculated by digit multiplied by value of that place.
Watch ad-free and complete syllabus on Learn Fatafat Android app. Download the app now.
So, value of 6 at ones place is 6 multiplied by 1, which is equals to 6. Similarly, value of 7 at tens place is 7 multiplied by 10 equals to 70. Value of 5 at hundreds place is 5 multiplied by 100, which is equals to 500. Value of 4 at thousands place is 4 multiplied by 1000, which is equals to 4000. Value of 2 at 10,000s place is 2 multiplied by 10,000, which is equals to 20,000. Value of 3 at lakhs place is 3 multiplied by 1 lakh, which is equals to 3 lakhs. Value of 2 at 10 lakhs place is 2 multiplied by 10 lakh, which is equals to 20 lakhs. Value of 1 at crores place is 1 multiplied by 1 crore, which is equals to 1 crore. And value of 1 at 10 crores place is 1 multiplied by 10 crores, which is equals to 10 crore. Indian and International System of Numeration. For the given number, put commas and write names according to Indian System of Numeration and International System of Numeration.
Watch ad-free and complete syllabus on Learn Fatafat Android app. Download the app now.
Indian System of Numeration uses ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, lakhs and crores. In this system, commas are used to mark thousands, lakhs and crores. So, put first comma after hundreds place, that is, after 3 digits from right to mark thousands. Put second comma after 10,000s place, that is, 2 digits after first comma to mark lakhs. Put third comma after 10 lakhs, that is, 2 digits after second comma to mark crores. So number name is 8,76,54,321. In International System of Numeration, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands and millions are used. Here 1 million is equals to 10 lakhs, which is equals to 1000 thousands. In this system, commas are used to mark thousands and millions. So put first comma after hundreds to mark thousands. Put second comma 3 digit after the first comma to mark millions. So number name will be 87,654,321. Next example. Indicate places of digits and write place values of given number. Places of digits are rightmost digit 7 is at units place or also called ones place and have place value 7. Next digit 4 is at tens place and have place value equals to 40. Similarly, 5 is at hundreds place, so place value is 500. 9 is at thousands place, so place value is 9000. 8 is at 10,000s place, so place value is 80,000. 5 is at lakhs place, so place value is 5 lakhs. 6 is at 10 lakhs place, so place value is 60 lakhs. Other places are crores place and 10 crores place. Since there are no digits, so these are kept unfilled. Next example. Expand and read the given number. Number can be expanded like this. Its number name is 2,46,853. Example. Represent the given number in placement boxes. It can be represented like this.
Watch ad-free and complete syllabus on Learn Fatafat Android app. Download the app now.
Example. Write the number from number name. 62,05,080. The number has 62 lakh. So 10 lakhs digit is 6 and lakhs digit is 2. The number has 5,000. So digit at thousands place is 5 and digit at 10,000s place is 0. The number has 80. So hundreds digit is 0, tens digit is 8 and ones digit is 0. Before ending this topic, always remember these facts. Units for length, mass and volume.
Subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get latest updates from learnfatafat.com.
Let's learn units for length measurement. We use units such as kilometer, meter, centimeter and millimeter to measure distance.
Watch ad-free and complete syllabus on Learn Fatafat Android app. Download the app now.
For measurements of longer distances, such as measurement of distance between two cities, we use the larger unit called kilometer. For smaller distances, such as distance between two poles on the ground, we need a smaller unit. For that, we have made 1000 parts of 1 kilometer, where each part is called a meter. So 1 kilometer equals to 1000 meter. We also use meter to measure length of house, length of a pipe, etc. For measuring distances such as length of a pencil, the kilometer or the meter will be two large units. We need smaller unit for this purpose. So we divide a meter in 100 parts and call each part as a centimeter. Have you ever tried to measure the thickness of your notebook? Sometimes the notebook is too thin to be measured in 1 centimeter. So again we need even smaller unit. We do so by dividing a centimeter in 10 equal parts and call each part as a millimeter. So 1 centimeter equals to 10 millimeter. In short, 1 kilometer equals to 1000 meters. 1 meter equals to 100 centimeters. And 1 centimeter equals to 10 millimeters. Units for mass measurement. We use units such as kilogram, gram and milligram for mass measurement. For larger amount of commodity, we use kilogram. For smaller measurements, we divide kilogram into 1000 parts and call each part as a gram. So 1 kilogram equals to 1000 gram.
Watch ad-free and complete syllabus on Learn Fatafat Android app. Download the app now.
Similarly, for even smaller measurements like measurement of substance in laboratory, we use even smaller unit called milligram, where 1 gram equals to 1000 milligram. 1000 milligrams is equals to 1 gram and 1000 grams is equals to 1 kilogram. Units for capacity and volume measurement. For measuring liquids such as milk, we use unit called liter. For smaller measurements, we use milliliters, where 1 liter equals to 1000 milliliter. Word problems on large numbers.
Subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get latest updates from learnfatafat.com.
Example: express 1 kilometer into millimeters. 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meter, which is equals to 1000 multiplied by 1 meter. But 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter.
Watch ad-free and complete syllabus on Learn Fatafat Android app. Download the app now.
So 1 kilometer equals to 1000 multiplied by 100 centimeter, which is equals to 1 lakh centimeter or 1 lakh into 1 centimeter. But 1 centimeter equals to 10 millimeters. So 1 kilometer equals to 1 lakh multiplied by 10 millimeters. Therefore, 1 kilometer equals to 10 lakhs millimeter. Next example. How many pieces can be made with a wire of total length 3 kilometers 540 meter such that each piece is 6 meter long? Let's understand the question first. Suppose this is a wire of length 3 km 540 meter. We have to divide this wire so as to make 6 meter long pieces. We have to find how many such pieces we can make from the given length. To solve this, let's write one piece of wire has length 6 meter. Then from 3 km 540 meter length of wire, we can form X number of pieces. To find number of pieces, we have to find value of X. We can find it by cross multiplication. So, 1 into 3 kilometers 540 meter is equals to X into 6 meter.
Watch ad-free and complete syllabus on Learn Fatafat Android app. Download the app now.
Or X multiplied by 6 meter is equals to 3 km 540 meter. Dividing both sides by 6 meter, we get number of pieces X equals to 3 km 540 meter divided by 6 meter. we cannot perform this division because the units in both terms are not same. We can make calculations only when the units are same. To make units similar, the best way is to find unit of smallest measurement. Here, smallest measurement is 6 and its unit is meter. So, we have to convert larger measurement here, 3 kilometers 540 meter in meter. It can be done like this. Since 1 kilometer equals to 1000 meter, therefore 3 kilometers equals to 3 multiplied by 1000 meter, which is equals to 3000 meter. And 3 kilometers 540 meter equals to 3000 meter plus 540 meter, which is equals to 3540 meter. Now we have similar units, so we can write number of pieces x equals to 3540 meter divided by 6 meter. If we divide 3540 by 6, then the answer will be 590. It means that number of pieces is equals to 590. Another example. Medicine is packed in boxes, each weighing 2 kg 250 gram. How many such boxes can be filled from 612 kg? Let's understand the question first. We have 612 kg amount of medicine. We have to pack this medicine in boxes. But we can pack only 2 kg 250 gram in one box. We need to find number of boxes for packing 612 kg of medicine. To solve this, let's write one box of medicine has mass 2 kg 250 gram. For 612 kg, there will be x number of boxes. So, let's perform cross multiplication. 1 into 612 kg is equals to x into 2 kg 250 gram, or x into 2 kg 250 gram is equals to 612 kg. Dividing both sides by 2 kg 250 gram,
Watch ad-free and complete syllabus on Learn Fatafat Android app. Download the app now.
Therefore, number of boxes x equals to 612 kg divided by 2 kg 250 gram. To perform division, let's make units similar by converting all terms in grams. Since 1 kilogram equals to 1000 gram, therefore 2 kilogram 250 gram is equals to 2000 gram plus 250 gram, which is equals to 2250 gram, and 612 kilogram is equals to 6,12,000 gram. Number of boxes x equals to 6,12,000 gram divided by 2250 gram. Units are similar, so let's divide two numbers. Since there are 4 digits in divisor, so select 4 digits of dividend. 6120 is greater than 2250, so we can divide it. Neglect last 3 digits of both numbers. Find a number which when multiplied with 2 produce result less than or equal to 6. It is number 3. So 3 can be suitable quotient. Let's verify if it is. Multiply divisor 2250 by 3. We get number 6705, which is greater than 6120. So we cannot take 3 as a quotient. Select a smaller number than 3, which is 2. 2 times 2250 is 4500, which is less than 6120. So we can use 2 as quotient.
Watch ad-free and complete syllabus on Learn Fatafat Android app. Download the app now.
The division with quotient 2 leaves remainder 1620. Bring down next digit, that is 0. Number becomes 16200. Neglect last 3 digits of both numbers. Here 8 times 2 is 16. So 8 can be suitable quotient. Let's verify it. 2250 multiplied by 8 is equals to 17,740, which is greater than 16,200. So let's take smaller number than 8, that is 7 as a quotient, with which we get 2250 multiplied by 7 is equals to 15,750. So 7 is quotient and remainder is 450. Bring down next 0. Number becomes 4500. 2 times 2250 is 4500. So quotient is 2 and remainder is 0. Dividing the two numbers, we get 272 as a quotient. Thus, number of boxes is equals to 272.
Watch ad-free and complete syllabus on Learn Fatafat Android app. Download the app now.
Next example. A container contains 1509 boxes containing 57 toys each. How many total toys are there in the container? Solution. We know that total number of boxes are 1509. Each box contains 57 toys. We have to find total number of toys. So let's arrange the given question. There are boxes and toys in them. One box contains 57 toys. So 1509 boxes will contain X number of toys. Let's perform cross multiplication. 1 multiplied by X is equals to 1509 multiplied by 57. So number of toys X equals to 1509 multiplied by 57. The product gives 86,013. So total number of toys are 86,013. Next example. Given are the populations of 3 different cities. Calculate their total population. Write all numbers in vertical form such that the digits in the same place are in same column. Add ones or units place values. If carry is generated, then add it to next digit. Go on adding digits to find the sum.
Watch ad-free and complete syllabus on Learn Fatafat Android app. Download the app now.
The sum is 19,48,030. Rules of estimation.
Subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get latest updates from learnfatafat.com.
When counting of exact quantity is difficult, we make a reasonable guess. It is called estimation.
Watch ad-free and complete syllabus on Learn Fatafat Android app. Download the app now.
Rules for estimation. Estimating number to nearest tens by rounding off. The numbers 1, 2, 3 and 4 are nearer to 0 than to 10. So these can be rounded off to 0. The numbers 6, 7, 8, 9 are nearer to 10 than to 0. So these can be rounded off to 10. 5 is rounded off to 10. Example. Let's estimate 1679 to nearest tens. Here, notice the tens and ones digit. It makes number 79. The nearest tens of 79 is 80. So 1679 can be rounded off to 1680. Example, estimate numbers to nearest tens. 23 can be rounded off to 20, 128 can be rounded off to 130, 2113 can be rounded off to 2110, 4567 can be rounded off to 4570, 88,385 can be rounded off to 88,390. Estimating number to nearest hundreds by rounding off. Numbers 1 to 49 are closer to 0 than to 100, so rounded off to 0. Numbers 51 to 99 are closer to 100 than to 0, so rounded off to 100. 50 is rounded off to nearest 100.
Watch ad-free and complete syllabus on Learn Fatafat Android app. Download the app now.
Example, let's estimate 1679 to nearest hundreds. Here, notice the hundreds, tens and ones digit. It makes number 679. The nearest hundred of 679 is 680. So, 1679 can be rounded off to 1680. Examples, estimate numbers to nearest hundreds. 23 can be rounded off to 0. 128 can be rounded off to 100. 2113 can be rounded off to 2100. 4567 can be rounded off to 4600. 88,385 can be rounded off to 88,400. Estimating number to nearest thousands by rounding off. Numbers 1 to 499 are closer to 0 than to 1000, so rounded off to 0. Numbers 501 to 999 are closer to 1000 than to 0, so rounded off to 1000. 500 is rounded off to nearest 1000. For example, let's estimate 1679 to nearest thousands. Here, notice the thousands, hundreds, tens and ones digit. It makes number 1679. The nearest thousand of 1679 is 2000. So, 1679 can be rounded off to 2000.
Watch ad-free and complete syllabus on Learn Fatafat Android app. Download the app now.
Example, estimate numbers to nearest thousands. 23 can be rounded off to 0. 128 can be rounded off to 0. 2113 can be rounded off to 2000. 4567 can be rounded off to 5000. 88,385 can be rounded off to 88,000. Estimating addition, subtraction and multiplication. Example, estimate the sum 8428 plus 3241. Estimating to nearest 10 gives 11,670. Estimating to nearest 100 gives 11,600. And estimating to nearest 1000 gives 11,000. Estimation makes calculations quicker and simpler. Estimating values to nearest 10 helps to make calculations slower but gives more closer estimate. Estimating values to nearest 1000 makes calculations faster but gives least closer estimate. Example, find approximate value of product 621 multiplied by 56. Estimating to nearest 10 gives most accurate estimate, but estimating to nearest 100 or 1000 gives wrong estimate.
Watch ad-free and complete syllabus on Learn Fatafat Android app. Download the app now.
For quicker and more accurate estimate, we should round off 621 to nearest 100, that is 600, and round off 56 to nearest 10, that is 60. Roman numerals.
Subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get latest updates from learnfatafat.com.
Roman numerals follows symbolic representation for numbers. Some Roman numerals are 1, 5, 10, 50, 100, 500, 1000.
Watch ad-free and complete syllabus on Learn Fatafat Android app. Download the app now.
Rules for writing Roman numerals. If a symbol is repeated, its value is added as many times as it occurs. For example, 10 can be represented as, 20 can be represented as, 30 can be represented as. The symbols for 1, 10, 100 and 1000 can be repeated but only up to 3 times. The symbols for 5, 50 and 500 cannot be repeated. If a symbol of smaller value is written to the right of a symbol of greater value, then their values get added. If a symbol of smaller value is written to the left of a symbol of greater value, then its value gets subtracted from value of greater symbol. These symbols are never written on the left side of greater symbol, so these symbols are never subtracted. Write given numbers in Roman numerals. 1, 2, repeat 1 twice, 3, repeat 1 thrice, 4 can be written like this. But by rule second, we cannot repeat a symbol more than 3 times. So this is incorrect. However, if we write 5 like this,
Watch ad-free and complete syllabus on Learn Fatafat Android app. Download the app now.
then 4 can be obtained by 5 minus 1. So, by rule 4, we should write symbol for 1 to the left of symbol for 5. 6 is 5 plus 1. So, by rule 3, we write symbol for 1 to right of symbol for 5. Similarly, 7 is 5 plus 1 plus 1. 8 is 5 plus 3 ones. 9 is 10 minus 1 and 10. Another example. Write given numbers in Roman numerals. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100.
Watch ad-free and complete syllabus on Learn Fatafat Android app. Download the app now.
Example. Write given numbers in Roman numerals. 13 can be written in Roman numerals as, 14 can be written as, 27 can be written as, 19 can be written as, 54 can be written as, 84 can be written as, and 94 can be written as. So I hope you understood all the concepts in this video very well. Thanks for watching this video.
Like, share and subscribe learnfatafat.com and press the bell icon to never miss an updates from learnfatafat.com.